Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Forex trading, but with a special focus on beginners. If you've ever wondered what Forex is all about and how to get started, you're in the right place. We're here to simplify the complex and make it accessible for everyone. Let's get started. First things first, what exactly is Forex? Forex, or the foreign exchange market, is where you can trade one country's currency for another's. It's the largest and most liquid financial market in the world, with trillions of dollars traded every day. In simple terms, it's buying and selling currencies with the goal of making a profit. Now, why should you consider Forex trading? Well, there are several reasons. It's accessible, you can start with a relatively small investment. It's open 24/5, meaning it's available almost all the time. Plus, there are countless educational resources and tools available to help you succeed. But remember, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires learning, practice, and discipline. Let's cover some basics. 1. Currency pairs. In Forex, you trade currency pairs, like EUR, USD or GBP, JPY. The first currency is the base, and the second is the quote currency. 2. Leverage. It allows you to control a larger position with a smaller amount of capital. Use it wisely and be aware of the risks. 3. Pips. These are the smallest price movements in the exchange rate. Your profits and losses are measured in pips. 4. Risk management. Always set stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. Never invest money you can't afford to lose. When you're ready to start trading, you'll need a Forex broker. Look for a broker that's regulated, offers a user-friendly platform, and provides educational resources. It's essential to do your research and choose a reliable one. In conclusion, Forex trading can be a fantastic opportunity, but it's not without risks. Education and practice are the keys to success. Start with a demo account, learn the basics, and develop a sound trading strategy. Remember, there's no guarantee of profit in trading, but with dedication and knowledge, you can improve your chances. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Forex trading tips and tutorials. Thanks for joining us today.